and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing an eye look using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. So this is the most recent palette that she has came out with, and I'm so excited that I finally got my hands on it. I have been waiting to get this palette. I really wanted to get it when it launched, but unfortunately a lot of stuff was going on in my life and I couldn't. But I finally did, and this baby is gorgeous. Look at her. You have pops of color up here, and then you have quite a few nudes down here, so you can create so many looks with this palette, and I'm so excited to use it. So without further ado, let's get into the eyeshadow. So as y'all can see, I already have my base makeup done. Comment down below, what do you think about how my base looks? I've been trying something new with mixing multiple of my foundations just to see if I could go a little bit darker than what I normally do, because I am really pale, but I have a lot of freckles on my face. And so it makes my face look dark, but honestly it really isn't. I like to match my neck, but I mean, I'm just trying to test the waters of trying to get a more colored foundation. And so what do you guys think about what this base looks like? I tried to go with a glowy look today, so I've used the Makeup Revolution, two of the Makeup Revolutions, which I will link down below in the description, and also the Colourpop concealer, the OFRA highlighter, and a Milani blush. And so yeah, comment down below, what do you guys think about my base? Does it look good? I just need to know if it looks good. But with that being said, we just have to focus on the eyes for this video, which I'm so excited because, like I said, I'm going to be dipping into this beautiful palette. I'm so excited. I really wanted to play with some of the more vibrant colors, but today it's thunderstorming and I don't feel so bright. So we are going to be playing with the nudes, and I know a lot of people who do watch my videos don't like the vibrant colors so much, so this video is for you guys. We are going to be doing a more neutral look today. So I'm not really for sure on which colors I'm going to pick from, but I do want to go with something light. So of course I will pop the name up on the screen, that way for you guys at home, if y'all want to follow along, if you have the palette, y'all can. So before we get into the eyeshadow, I just want to comment on that it does not have a mirror. I honestly hate palettes that are this big and don't have a mirror, just because they are bulky and you have to like move them out of the way to look into a mirror, or like hold up another mirror, and it's you know that kind of thing. But I'm not gonna let that get into the way of testing out how the formula is in this palette. So I'm going to go in with Certified, and it is the palest shade in this palette, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to tap that on my eyelid just to set any of the concealer or foundation. I'm going to dip into Perfectionist and put that into my crease. Now I'm going to go in with Comfort Zone and focus that on the outer corner. I'm also going to be using my R39 Morphe brush. So these colors are turning out more orange than I was expecting, but maybe we can darken them up a little bit. I'm going to try to go in with this darkest shade over here to see if that'll darken up a little bit, and that is called Thick Skin. See, that's a lot better. I'm going to go in with G Money, which is the brownish shade on this palette, and I'm going to focus that on darkening the outer corner. Okay, so that shade pretty much just made the eyeshadow a burnt orange. I'm going to take a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go in with Certified, and this is my Morphe M441 brush. And like I said, I'm going to take Certified and just try to blend out this top line. So I wasn't expecting to go orange with this look, but that is what is happening. So I guess we can just, have fun with it. And I'm going to dip into the shade Next. And I know that this is crazy, but it's like a little bit of a dark red burgundy color. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush, and I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner as well. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh yes, that is so pretty. Okay, I think that is where I'm gonna stop with adding color. I really like it. It's super cute. So now we just need a shimmer shade to finish off the eyes. So there's not really a nice like shimmer shade that's really light to what I'm looking for, except for this really pale one right here. So I think that I'm going to put this one on first, and then I might try doing this one. Maybe. I'm gonna take the shade I'm in it and put this on the inner corner of my eyelid. So that shade is a little bit different. I honestly thought that it was going to be like super pale and super brightening, but honestly it really isn't. It has like the sheen to it. So this is what the eyes look like right now. What do you guys think about it so far? I really like the light shimmer shade in it. It's super cute. I'm not really mad about how this has turned out. I mean, I definitely wanted more like brown shades to make like an actual neutral look, but like this is okay. This is cute. It's super cute. The shimmer shade on the inside definitely is a trick to the mind, because here looking at it, it's super pale, but on my eyelid it's like a pinky purple sheen to it, and I kind of like it. I'm just taking a little bit of the shade Comfort Zone to put underneath my eyes, and then I'll see if I want to darken it up in a minute. Okay, so I don't think that I want to darken it up any, so I'm just going to go in and finish my eyes. I'm going to put on some mascara, and I'm going to be using the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara, and it comes in this cute little squeezy tube, but it's not a squeezy tube. It's actually mascara, so I'm just going to put on a little bit. So now I'm just going to pop on some lashes off of camera, and I will be right back. So now that I have my lashes on, the face is complete. So tell me, what do you guys think down in the comments down below? What do you guys think? I absolutely love how this turned out. It is super cute. I might actually run into town just because I haven't done my makeup in so long. But I love how the formula of this palette is. It looks super cute. I can't wait to play with the more vibrant colors. But with that being said, if you like this video, smash that like button, and while you're down there, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video like this. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!